Hey everyone, I am replacing the wheels off of my Impala skates with some generic Amazon ones that I found for, I think it were like $30, $40 or something like that. And they come with ABEC 7s. The Impala stock ones are the Impala stock ones are ABEC 7s. The Amazon ones are ABEC 9s. So I wanted to see if there's a comparison between the two. The Impalas are supposed to come with 70 millimeters. They come out to be about 66. That's probably just manufacturing. Plus, I've been using these for a few months now. The Amazon ones are supposed to be 80s, and they turn out to be about 78. Again, this is pretty normal for polyurethane plastic wheel things, so no biggie. And to be honest with you, if they were any bigger than they are now, they probably wouldn't fit. Here, I didn't change out the little stock holder thingy. I don't know what they're called, but if left as it is, it barely fits. So you kind of have to swap these insert things. Not swap, but turn them around. If you flip them over the other way, so the hole is facing closer to the edge, you'll see that that's enough for it to fit, and that's like a millimeter of space. So let me just finish this off. And oh, I forgot to say, in the middle part, you have to flip them upside down. So they come right side up, you just got to flip them upside down. Do it on both sides, and it will roll. Again, there's barely enough space. So it's a pretty simple process altogether. I'm just going to finish this off and fast forward the video so you're not sitting here watching me do all of them. And this is the last one. Side note, don't tighten them too much so they make it too tight for it to really roll. All right, time to check these out. Now, I didn't bring my microphone, so I'm just going to do a voiceover for this part, but immediately I could tell that it's way easier on my knees, but I don't feel that it's any faster than the ABEC 9s, or the ABEC 7s that come stock with the Impalas. I also bought a set of ABEC, I think 10 or 11, I don't know what they are. I have to look it up, but I use that for my longboard, and those are way better. And I am thinking of just taking them off of my longboard and putting them on these because I have enough of a set for all of them, for all my wheels for these skates instead. I haven't used my longboard in a while, so I feel like it would benefit me more with this. Okay. Skated for maybe about 10 minutes. And honestly, I gotta work on my stamina. It's been a couple months since I've skated last. Oh. And the wheels they definitely feel like an upgrade. Not sure if they're any more faster than the stock ABEX 7s. I don't think these, I can't say they feel like ABEX 9s. They definitely don't feel as fast as the ones that are on my longboard, but the wheels themselves, just because they're thicker, feels easier on my knees on rougher terrain. So definitely a worthwhile purchase, especially for the price. Whew. But yeah, they're cool. I mean, they're cheap and they do the job, at least for now, until I can get better ones. They were on sale, so I picked them up. Oh man, this is a great cardio workout, but definitely gonna. The first things that start to hurt are my shins. I don't know. Again, it's been a long time since I've skated, so I just think I gotta keep working on it. I'm just trying to skate more often. Jiminy Willikers. All right, I think that's it.